Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to avoid the 3 biggest mistakes when it comes to your credit. This is Joe from the Veteran Club. Today I want to share with you the biggest mistake that almost every person makes when it comes to credit and how to fix them. The theme here is going to be knowing versus guessing. There's no guesswork. We need to educate ourselves. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes. Number 1, you don't look at your credit report from each of the 3 bureaus daily. When you finally do, you see negative marks, that is late payments, collections, charges, but then you got no idea how to get them removed from your credit report. Number 3, now that you're finally in the credit report, you discover you have brand new history or no positive accounts at all. Crazy part is you tell me you're looking to buy a house or a car in the next 2 to 4 months, but your credit score is 540. That's crazy, right? Now I present you the solutions to all these problems. Ready? The answers to the 3 items above and more are found inside our Credit Veteran Club program. In this program, I teach people how to always have a brand new credit report. In our program, I show you the best and cheapest 3 bureau reports to get. What you don't see, you can't measure. You can't fix it, okay? Number 2, only use our proprietary blueprint letters to get the negative marks. That is late payments, collections, charge-offs removed from your credit report. I will give you the letters and show you how to send them to a human. These are the same letters we have used for the last 6 months with our clients, and we have had tremendous results. Number 3, have the best combinations of authorized users and primaries that will give you the best chances to get credit cards, mortgages, car loans, etc. I will give you the specific combination. At the Credit Veteran Club, we work with the best vendor in the industry when it comes to trade lines and AUs. This will have an immediate impact on your credit. So don't forget to call us at 678-528-2579 and learn about our program of DIY, do it yourself, DIW, do it with you, DIF, do it for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up to reach as many people as possible. Also, hit the notification bell below so that you get alerts whenever we release our videos. Remember, our mission at the Credit Veteran Club is to raise the national average score to over 750. Thank you and see you later.